This video is about simple addition. First question is, what is 41 plus 26? The first thing we need to do is set this out correctly. So when setting it out, we make sure that the units are in the same column and the tens are in the same column. And then we first add the units, so 1 plus 6 is 7. And then we add the tens, 4 plus 2 is 6. So my answer is 67. Let's now try these two sums which have already been set out for us. So the first one is 83 plus 75. So first add my units together, so 3 plus 5 will give me 8. And then add my tens. 8 plus 7 is 15. Now this time I've got two digits, so the 5 from 15 goes underneath the 8 and the 7, and the 1 goes next to it. So my answer is 158. Let's look at the second sum. 4 plus 8 is 12. So again, I put the units of 12, 2, underneath it, and the 1 I carry over. I can't put it next to it at the moment because I've still got a sum to do. So now let's add my tens. 7 plus 4 is 11, and then add on my 1 that I've carried over gives me 12. So writing this as before, we put the 2 underneath the 7 and the 4, and the 1 beside it, and my answer is 122.